5 tiny builders and 1 giant helping hand are about to turn this empty land into a beautiful dream home with a garage. First, they carefully measure the plot and dig the foundation. Then they mix sand, cement, and water before pouring a strong concrete base. With the foundation ready, the real construction begins. Brick by brick, the ground floor walls start rising. Next, the builders create the attached garage and carefully secure the heavy beam above its entrance. More bricks go up as the second floor and balcony begin taking shape. Once the brickwork is complete, the team covers the rough walls with smooth, fresh plaster. Then the giant helping hand assists them in installing the black-framed windows, wooden front door, and garage door. Next comes the roof. The giant hand carefully lowers it while the tiny builders guide it into position. With the structure complete, all 5 builders get busy painting the entire house. White walls, warm gray details, and wooden finishes completely transform the building. Finally, they pave the driveway, plant the garden, and bring in the tiny family car. And there it is, from an empty plot to a beautiful miniature dream home with its own garage. Subscribe to see what the tiny builders construct next.